I'm Linus Lohoff, a multidisciplinary art director from Germany, located in Barcelona, Spain. I have a long professional experience in the creative sector and I have worked for agencies like Saatchi & Saatchi, Boros and Fasava Studio. Art direction brings clarity and definition to any project. It combines art and design to evoke emotional reactions that shape our culture. It influences movies, music, magazines, or any company in need for visual identification for its core values. My passion is to understand and connect the dots, create, select, and put things together, especially visually to bring the essence of the company to stand out. My purpose is to help companies and people to communicate in the best visual way. And the brand book is a good tool to do so. In this Domestika course, you will learn to make a brand book using design, typography, color management, photography, and a graphic system that captures the essence of a brand. As final project, we will produce a whole visual brand identity that addresses the audience with a clear message. To do this, we will start first with the design strategy. In this first stage, we will learn everything about the figure of an art director. Then we will start defining the brand project with the briefing. We will turn into investigators and I will show you to create inspiring mood boards. After that, we will start with identity design. We will work creating the symbol and logo and learning about color palette and typography. Then we will talk about the photography style, illustration and graphic system. We will work with mock-ups and creating stationery for our brands. Once we have that, I will speak about the importance of the website and social media. Arriving in the end of the course, I will explain to you what is a brand book and give you final tips. At the end of this course, you will have learned how art direction can improve your brand project. This course is suitable for anyone who wants to get inspired, understand the work of an art director, learn to translate your ideas into visual communication, and produce a visual system of your brand. Learn how to improve your brand like a pro and design like an artist.